up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Come on, Lorianne, it's gonna storm.
Hi.
Lorianne? Honey? Don't scare Mama now.
Excuse me. Move along. Chief's gonna have a cow when he sees you nosing around, Mike.
I won't tell him if you don't. What you got, Sam?
There's not much left, just like the last time.
Anybody see anything?
The mother said she saw...
I told you to stay out of this, Hanlon.
I'm just a concerned citizen, Chief. And I call 6 kids missing or dead a major cause for alarm here.
Maybe just a rash of runaways. Kids get itchy feet.
Right. A 5-year-old in a toy car gets itchy feet. What, a 7-year-old trots down to Acapulco for a wild weekend?
The boy's father took him. The other one?
Chief, there's something terribly wrong here in Derry. And you know it.
Hey, I'm the cop. You're the librarian. Okay?
Georgie.
May 28th. Another killing today. But this time there was something more. Something that makes my skin crawl. A picture that shouldn't. No, that couldn't have been there. It's time to tell the others what's